Hello students, today we will learn about habitats. So habitats are the places where organisms live in nature. Different animals have different habitat. For example, desert is the habitat of camel, water is the habitat of fish. There are several types of habitat. Here we will study about two types of habitat, terrestrial and aquatic. The plants and animals that live on land are said to live in terrestrial habitat like grassland, desert, coastal and mountain region. Aquatic habitat. The habitat of plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitat. For example, pond, lake, river, ocean, etc. Let's study them in detail. Terrestrial habitat. First of all, grassland. A variety of animals live in grassland. Animals like lion, deer, giraffe, etc. live in grassland. Some animals also get some benefits of it, like lion and deer, to get their prey and to save themselves. Deer have long legs to run fast, and the lion have brown skin that help in stay or to hide into the grass. Deer have eyes in the side of their head to look all around and have long legs to run fast to save themselves. Grasslands are the home of various types of animals. Desert. Animals like camel and plants like cactus live and survive in desert. Deserts are very hot in daytime and very cold at night. Rat and snake do not have long legs like camel, so during the daytime they stay in deep burrows inside the sand and come out during the night time to catch their prey and to survive. Coastal and mountain region. They are normally cold and windy. Snowfall also occur in some mountain regions. The trees of this region have cone shape so that snow and water slide from it easily. Animals in these regions also have different adaptation. They have long and thick fur on their body to protect them from the cold surroundings, just like yak and leopard. They have thick fur to protect them from the cold and from the snow. They have white fur also to protect them from their prey. Let's study about aquatic habitat, pond and lake. Pond and lake form freshwater habitat. Animals living in water are called aquatic animal, while plants growing in this condition are called hydrophytes. Frog is amphibian, that it can survive on land and in water also. Plant and water have short root to hold the plant in its position, and long stem which are hollow that allows them to float in the water. The stem grow on the surface of water, and the leaf and the flower of some plants float on the water. Some plants are completely dipped in water. They have ribbon-like leaves. Some animals also live in ocean. These animals are adapted to saline water, means they are adapted to salty water. Some of the animals have gills, but some of these do not have gills, so they stay on the surface of water. Those animals which have gills, they can stay deep inside the water, and which do not have gills come on the surface to breathe along, just like whale, shark and dolphins. They have a hole on their head to breathe. So this was all about the habitat